Okay, I figured I'd do this follow-up video I promised earlier on a kicker tie bar. I can't take credit for this. There's another user who kind of walks you through how to build a tie bar when you have an offset kicker with your main. As you can see, the bar comes up. I've got one bend, two bends in there. Now, here's the tricky part. There's a third rotational angle that I could not get, so I cheated. I took the 3/8 bar and a 1/2-inch OD tube. Everything's from Lowe's, and I cut it and I used a slip fit. Once I got my angle correct, I welded the two ends, and I've got the two ends. Now the threaded ends, that's just a ball end. Got that off Amazon. They were $12 a piece. That's a 3/8 24 right hand thread joint, and then you get the same thing, a die off Amazon. Same thing over here. Once I got the pieces cut and welded, I just cut the threads on. Initially I did have a washer on here. I just stuck a pin on there. Now what's neat is this is a 14mm 1.25 pitch thread bolt. I just cut the head off. It's the same thread as a steering nut, and it's threaded from the bottom, and there's a jam nut, and it's the same thing on the kicker. And as you can see, it works. I've been using this for a couple of hours now, and yeah, so what did it cost me? About $45 and some time. Again, now I did have a welder, so I was able to slide the tubes in and weld it. Questions, comments, let me know. Again, I'll post a link to the YouTuber who actually posted this, so he gets credit for it. I just couldn't get that third angle or that third rotational bend, so I welded the slip fit once I got my idea. And give you another idea, so it clears pretty well.